welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the title of this video, it is going to be my sleek bun on thick curly hair. So if you guys want to know how I got all my hair in this ponytail, you know, in this little bun, this little sleek, look at that. In this sleek bun, you know, keep on watching. Alright everybody, so I'm going to show you the different products that I'm using for this sleek bun. So for starters, it will be my trusty Eco Styler gel. I am using the black castor and flaxseed oil one. You can honestly use whichever gel lays your hair down the most. And I will be having a video on why I'm using this again. Number 2 would be my Murray's Edge Wax. Oh my god, his hair on this. Yeah, this is the stronghold. Well, it says more hold, but whatever. You can use whatever edge control you want to just the edge control that I'm using for today. My Pump It Up Spritz. Yes, this is the old bottle. But, yes, I use Spritz. It's going to make sure it stays in place and all that jazz. Like, I can go to sleep, wake up, and it will still be laid. So, get some Spritz. And this one is optional. It's my Smooth and Shine polishing, well, polisher, whatever. Yeah, I always show you guys. This has a nozzle on it, and make sure it's the one, where does it say? For all hair types 1 through 4, not the one that has like 1 through 3 or 1 through 2 or whatever. Make sure it's the 1 through 4. And this is optional. You don't have to use this. Me personally, I like my hair to, you know, have some shine, some sheen to it, all this other stuff. So it's optional. You can just use regular oil sheen. I don't care. And you're also gonna need a paddle brush. I would show y'all. This is kind of dirty, so I'm not gonna. A wide tooth comb out your hair. A board bristle brush. I would show you guys the bristles, but they're dirty. Edge control brush, comb, or a toothbrush. Honestly, whatever you have on hand. If you don't have this, just get you a toothbrush, call it a day. Just make sure it's not the one that you use for your teeth. Okay, so when I do this hairstyle, I always do it on, I hate when my camera's like that. I do this on stretched out hair, so, okay. So, I have my hair in a bun for maybe like, yeah, Sunday, Monday, and I'm having it today for Tuesday. So, I don't sleep with the bun in because, oh my gosh, I forgot. Duh, Jake, you're also gonna need you a donut bun. Dude, come on now. I created this with like, I don't even know how many socks. Like, I started off with like 3. And then like the longer my hair got, the more socks I added in there. And I'm just letting you guys know, please do not be like me and want a fat bun in the back of your head, but your hair is only 1 inch high. So you're adding more socks than what needs to be added, and people see the sock through your hair. Because I did that before. And yeah, I don't need you to make the same mistake as me, because people will talk about you and they will tell, and yeah, just don't. Okay, so I'm gonna comb my hair out. Everybody, so once your hair gets combed out, this is the time where you need to make your part. If you want okay, so you see my loose ponytail. So now it's time for the first step, which is adding my gel. Okay, so now it's time for this paddle brush. I'm gonna take it and smooth everything. Or you can use a comb, honestly, it's whatever. But my hair is still in the ponytail in the back, so yeah. And I'm going to take my board bristle brush, my bristle brush, smooth it down even more. Now for my edges, I have sensitive edges, so I don't like brush right here. I like turn it to the side and kind of brush right there because my edges are sensitive. So yeah, that's a tip if y'all, your edges are sensitive and you just gave up on using a brush because of that. So instead of that, try like turning. So I just keep brushing my hair down until I get it as smooth as I want it to. No, I don't put gel on the back of my hair because, my nape, because, yeah, it's gonna be in a low ponytail. And if it was like high up, then yeah, I would. But I'm not finna do all that extra stuff. So now, while my hair is still in this loose ponytail, I'm going to actually start to put it in a tighter ponytail. And not tight to where you can't, like, your scalp is like on flame or something, tight as you can handle it. Y'all, don't judge me. I didn't know that I wasn't recording. I'm like terribly sorry. Like, I already got the ponytail in. I done put my edge control up in there. You can see the sleekness. Like, I'm so sorry, y'all. Like, please forgive me. But yes, after I actually put it in the ponytail, I did add my edge control to my edges and stuff. So yeah, sorry. So now it's time to actually insert the donut bun in your head. So I already got it in there. Hope y'all can see that. I already got it on. So I'm about to smooth my hair down to cover up the sock. Make sure it's flat and smooth. I don't add product in my hair. Probably should, but I don't. Yeah, forgive me. And I like to lean my head forward a little bit. I don't want to do this step. So now I'm going to take my elastic and put it around the donut bun. And since it's so big, I can double it. Bring it back through there, push it in, and for the excess hair, just tuck it and bring it around. And that's it. Whew. I'm tired. Okay. So before I add my spritz, I'm going to make sure that my edges are laid how I want them to be laid. Because once you put that spritz on, that's it. Your hair is glued. Okay, so now how my hair stays laid, the spritz, y'all. This is the best part, the spritz. Oh! I just spray it all over. Kind of take my little toothbrush, kind of rub it in too. So my hair is already shiny already with the gel and the edge control, but to like enhance that shine even more, we're going to add my go-to, my fave. Spray this all over. Ugh, Jesus. And that's it. About to put on my hoop earrings right quick. I'll be right back. Hold on. Alright, you guys, there you have it. My sleek bun tutorial on thick curly hair. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also comment down below on what videos you guys would want me to post. And also hit that subscribe button, because I know y'all didn't in the beginning when I told y'all to, but it's okay. And also hit that bell so you can be part of the notification crew. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, love you fam.